والأصباد.
This is not dot.
See,
This is in last letter is not. What's the last letter?
um, thought,
Yes. Yes, this is ta, but read it. Read it ta also.
T, T,
Wal wal
Waba,
wal asba.
والأص, والأصباد.
You are creating the sound of
وال,
dal in the end, but you are saying this was ta.
وال, والأصباد.
Why are you reading dal? What's the sound of ta there?
T,
You have to say the sound of the, not the. Wal, try again, please.
والأصباد.
Again, you are doing the same one. Can you getting the? Are you getting the point or not? Try once more, please. When you are,
وال,
you know the sound of ta there.